Good evening, friends. Welcome back again. Let's start the market whips for tomorrow. So before going to it, let's see what actually market did today. So see, yesterday's video was my 12th video, and ever since I have started this YouTube channel, you can go and verify that whatever levels I am mentioning, they are doing exceptionally well. So it's up to you now how you manage your trades according to my levels. One more thing which is very ironical, that in my telegram channel there are around 260 people, and even after the YouTube channel has started a good 10 days before, even those 260 people have not joined my YouTube channel, I think, which is not good. I am doing my all the hard works for you people, so kindly join that channel so that uh, some more people can come to join that channel. Okay, that actually motivates me, nothing else. So let's start. Everything is as it was yesterday. Every line, all the levels I have drawn, nothing new. So what Nifty first did today. So this is 20th of October. This was the opening, and if you remember, or if you have not seen my yesterday's video, you can go and watch it. See, I had told that if there is any gap down, it may happen around this level. So this level has been an important one now. So exactly it opened here. It tried to go up. It tried to go up and faced resistance around this 17,470 level, which has already been marked by me, and afterwards it came down, and again it and during the entire day never managed to close below this zone. You can see it never closed below this zone. So today, therefore, Nifty looked more stronger than Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty was a little bit sluggish today. It was more of a range bound type trade in Bank Nifty. So Nifty therefore remained very strong today, and finally it formed a bullish engulfing pattern. You can see the entire body of this candle has been engulfed by it, of this candle was engulfed by this candle, and it occurred near an important support role. So it is a bullish signal in technical analysis terms. So if I convert it into 5-minute chart, so you can see here it is more clear here. So this is bullish engulfing candle. So one could have taken trade here around 17,453, and it all the way went up to this level. It passed it, and again this level. All the levels I have drawn already, and now see how is it possible that whatever trend line or whatever lines I have drawn are working like a magic. Now see, entire day it went up, and whenever it tried to consolidate, it was near my drawn line. Okay, so it is very simple. I have been showing it how to put your lines for resistance and support. Now see, uh, how beautifully it kept going up, and finally it tried to break this neckline. Which neckline? I have been showing it now. Now let's see this neckline, where I have been mentioning that there a W pattern is in making, this W pattern. So this is the neckline. So finally it tried to break above the neckline, but it failed and closed, almost closed at the neckline. So this is not any coincidence. This is actually the power of accurate technical analysis. Okay, people may say that only 45 people are in YouTube channel, so it may think that I am little bit extravagant when I am telling that these levels are very magical, but believe me, you can't measure someone's analysis on the basis of the quantity of people watching, or quantity of people as member in any particular channel or any group. Okay. So a very important thing in Nifty is that if I go to the daily chart, and I would like to show you people that though this is daily chart, and in technical analysis it is a very thumb rule that if market closes above previous day's high, that is bullish sign, and if it closes below the previous day's low, then it is bearish signal. Today what happened? Nifty opened below not only previous day's low, as well as below day before yesterday, but it was the opening was the low for the day, and afterwards, as I shown in 15-minute chart, it kept going up, and finally it managed to close uh, around this level, which is well above the low of yesterday's candle. So it is not a bearish sign, even though it is not a bullish one, but the way it started, it took off from the opening point. We can say that the buyers were too active during the day, and as the US markets are suggesting, we may see a very good gap up tomorrow. So what if well, the markets are actually opening with gap ups or gap downs, so it has been now everyday story, and it will keep happening. Why? Because there is an important a vital aspect in the market that is known as VIX, volatility index, and I have been watching the US markets weeks, and it has been consistently above 30 for last 4 to 5 weeks, and above 35 rather. So it is signal of the huge and highly volatility. So as long as the US markets weeks is above 35, one can say that these markets will be giving us gap ups and gap down. As soon as the US markets VIX goes below 25 and sustains there, then we may see the normalcy coming back to the Indian market also, because we have been following exactly the US markets. So what may happen tomorrow? Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So if the way the things are going in US market at the moment, we can expect a gap up tomorrow. So if that is the case, then it may be above or within this zone. Above or within this zone, I have explained this zone why it is a very important supply zone area. So and I have been mentioning this rule that whenever there is an important resistance, market will try to surpass it by having a gap up. So it may be above this zone, and if that is the case, then you have to, as usual, you have to watch out for the price action for next 5 to 10 minutes. If it sustains there, and if it comes down and retest this level, or if it continues to go above first second candle, then you may take your long trades for the target of 17,738. Then this next level will be 17,800, and finally it may go to 17,882 to 17,900 plus levels, which is another important supply zone, which has been being mentioned by me for so many times now. Now what if it opens at the or around the same level where it has closed today? Then in that case it will first try to go above this level, or if it opens above this neckline area, then it may try to retest once, and then it may start its up move again towards this zone, and afterwards towards this level and that upper level also. Now if it opens somewhere here or below this neckline, then it may try to go down to this level, and this level has been very important level. And if there is any dip in US market, then after breaking this level it may come down to this level. This will be an important level because see how many times it has taken support, or it has faced resistance at this level. So if there is any negativity in the US market, after opening around this level it may come down to this level, and then we may see some bounce back. And if it fails to sustain this level, then this will again act as an important support level. Okay, now what if the Nifty gaps down? If it gaps down, then it may be around this level or around this level. So if that is the case, if it gaps down here, then there will be every chance that it may try to go down up to this level. Then an up move may be expected. But if happens here, then we may see that very fast it may go to this level, then it may form this type of wick, a long wick, and then close above this level, and then start an up move. So wherever it gaps down, if there is any possibility of gap down, then we have to see the price action as usual. And after gapping down, you don't need to take your trade very immediately. You should not be in any hurry to take your trade. You have to wait and see what the price action is telling, what the price action is indicating. So these will be the levels for the Nifty tomorrow. Okay, you have to watch out very carefully, but remember that above this neckline, I will consider Nifty to be very bullish, and the targets of 17,738 and this 17,880 to 17,920 can't be ruled out, not if tomorrow, in days to come. Now let's come to Bank Nifty. As I mentioned, that Bank Nifty looked very weak today, relatively nifty. It was very weak today. So what happened? First of all, let me go to the daily chart, and I would like to show that why Bank Nifty remained weak today. Now see, this was yesterday's low. I have marked it in yellow line. Okay, so it not only opened below that line, it never it once tried to go above this line, but it could not sustain there, and entire day it traded below this line. And I had mentioned it in my free telegram channel that as long as Bank Nifty is trading below its yesterday's low, that is 14,194 level, it may remain bearish. And same happened yesterday. But one thing which we can say that this week is actually may bring some smile to the traders who are carrying their long side, that this week is telling that whenever it tried to go down the bulls time there to support, it go up. Okay, now these red lines, if you remember, this was 0.238 Fibonacci level, this was 0.5 point 348 level, this is 0.5 level, and this is 0.618 level. So if I go to the lower time frame, then you can see it that it opened below yesterday's close, and it never sustained. It came down once to this level, and I had mentioned this level as a very crucial level. Why? Because the lower channel is passing through that point, and this snake line also, and this green line, which I had mentioned that it is a very good support. So it was very important level. So it tried to sustain here, but it couldn't. It went down, and see how beautifully it respected this 0.238 level for 1.5 hours. Then it broke down, but it could not go to that 0.3 levels, 0.38 level, and it consolidated almost. See why I say it consolidated, because if you draw a rectangle, see it was within that rectangle for almost entire day. See, and finally it broke this consolidation area, and managed to go to up to this level. Now exactly it again tried to go above this neckline area as well as this 0.238 area, but it could not sustain that. That means this neckline plus this 0.238 level acted as a resistance and it closed near it. Now what may happen tomorrow? If there is any gap up in Nifty, I can't see any big gap up in bank Nifty, but if it happens, then it may happen around this level, that is 40,197 to 40,221. For any strength, bank Nifty must open above this yellow line so that it may continue its uptrend. If the gap up is above this zone or above this yellow line, then we may see that it may come down up to this level to retest it. Even it can come down to retest this level, and if there afterwards there is any bullish formation either here or here, whatever the case may be, we may expect that following Nifty, bank Nifty may also go up. Now this trend line I had drawn it yesterday, it may once will try to stop bank Nifty on its up move path. So if it surpasses it and makes any bullish candle, then we may expect that it may go to 40,435, then 40,571. Now this 40,570 level will act as a resistance level. Why it will act as a resistance? Because not only this level is lying here, but the lower channel is also passing through it, so this will be a resistance. So it will be very interesting to see how it behaves here. Maybe it may just touch this line and spend some time, then come down to this level. After having a halt, the bulls may regain their strength and then they will try to push above this line to achieve next target, that is 40,691. And if that happens, then we may expect that following Nifty it may go to touch this channel, and believe me, and it will be witnessed in days to come. As long as bank Nifty is below this channel, it will be facing resistance, so it needs to close above this channel on hourly basis, so to enable to go to this level, that is 41,991 or 41,230. So these are the levels for tomorrow. One more aspect, if it opens gap down, so if that is the case, then it may open around this level, around this level. Now today bank Nifty spent quite a lot part of its trading around this area, so this area will be an important area for tomorrow. So who knows, the gap down may happen around this level. So now this entire zone will act as a support. So if gaps down, it may try to go up to this level again, and if after surpassing it, it may go to the mentioned upper levels. But if it opens below this zone, now 30,000, 39,700 and 800 is very crucial level for bank Nifty. If in any case it trades below and sustains below this level, then definitely it may go down to 39,650 or even this level of 39,580 or 39,500. So as long as it is above this level, or you may say that above this zone, it is safe and it may regain strength because Nifty is looking stronger. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow. I hope you are enjoying my labels and you are following my labels. So thank you very much. Please join my channel and please share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Good night.